Welcome to the Elvatech Academy, the official learning space for users of our XRF analyzers. My name is Serge, and in this video we will talk about video tutorials for our equipment. If you work with one of our analyzers, whether it's the ProSpector 2, 3, Geology Lab or any of our benchtop analyzers, you're in the right place. We created different playlists to help you master your analyzers faster, avoid mistakes and get the most accurate results in your daily work. Who this playlist is for? Our training videos are designed for professionals working in metallurgy and metal recycling, jewelry analysis, geology and mining, agriculture and soil analysis, and many more industries where material composition matters. Whether you're analyzing alloys, jewelry, soil, polymers or powders, you will find practical step-by-step instructions here. So, what you will find in playlists? We have grouped videos by instrument and topics, so it's easy to find what you need. For example, ProSpector 2 tutorials, ProSpector 3, Jewelry Lab tutorials, and separate playlists for application-specific videos like metals, soils or jewelry. You will learn how to set up your analyzer, adjust main settings, use specific functions like averaging or alloy libraries, navigate the interface, export results and much more. We keep our videos short and focused, so you can quickly find answers and apply them right away. How to use playlists? Use the playlist tab to choose your model or application area, or you can simply use the search bar on our channel. Try typing just interface ProSpector 3 or how to select calibration, and you will see the right video instantly. If you want to get the most out of your analyzer and ensure your results are accurate, Elvatech Academy is here to help. Subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss new tutorials, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We're always happy to help or make a video just for you. Thanks for watching and welcome to the Elvatech Academy.